Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lego Sushi Easy Guide. Start by gathering a 6x6 base plate and white 1x1 round studs to represent rice, plus thin flat tiles for fish and seaweed. Pick 2 to 3 contrasting colors for toppings and set out tweezers for tiny piece placement. Work on a soft mat to avoid losing studs and pace yourself while building simple rice shapes before adding colorful details. Now we dive into the build itself with calm, clear steps to keep it fun. Start by arranging white studs in 3 staggered rows to form a compact rice mound, then cap it with thin flat tiles to simulate fish slices. Gently press pieces together and check from multiple angles. Finish with dark seaweed strips and a small green stud for wasabi, adjusting spacing until the mini sushi looks balanced and charming. If you're enjoying this easy Lego sushi guide, please subscribe and like to support more playful tutorials and quick projects. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which features voice control and keeps your build area tidy for focused building sessions. It pairs great with hobby time and saves cleanup minutes. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Here are some approachable design tips to elevate your Lego sushi while keeping it simple and playful. Use translucent studs sparingly for a subtle fish sheen and avoid cluttering the rice texture. Make several sizes, from 1-bite minis to larger sushi, to create a dynamic platter. Try gentle color gradients and tiny accessory pieces for personality, and take photos of your favorites to inspire future variations and share with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.